Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the standard white hull color, white rub rail, red graphics, as well as red graphics on the console. We've got an optional bimini top with black canvas. Coming around to the transom, the boat has two swim platforms that are angled outward away from the motor, with a telescoping reboarding ladder to the port side. The boat is powered by a 40 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury. There's stainless steel grab rails, both port and starboard. Open cockpit, great for storage. There's a standard bench seat here with cup holders. You can add additional seating to your preference. Coming forward, you can also add a side cooler with a cushion here, a bow cushion as an option. This is the anchor locker. So plenty of anchor storage or storage for other items. Here in the console, we've got a little lockable glove box area that's drained. And the boat does come with a trailer. Nice little creek cruiser from Boston Whaler. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you for watching.